Hi, in today's episode, we'll try to understand how we can convert an Excel to PDF. We normally convert Excel to PDF for various reasons. PDF comes with various benefits such as easy access. It can be accessed from anywhere like Msexcel. So it is better secured, you can password protect, we can control when we send it to another party. So PDF is better presentable format compared to Excel. When we are displaying in different screens, Excel used to have issues. Before converting to PDF, ensure data arranged in properly. You can check the page layout, click on the view tab and you can see the page breaks here. Then this will look like a PDF version of your data. So this will be exactly on your PDF version. So first of all, let's look at the first method, how we can convert to PDF. First method is export. Option tab, you can find the export icon, where here you'll get a default button as to export. From here you rename the file name based on your requirement. After that, click on option. If you want the sheet only, you can select the active sheet, or if you want the entire workbook, you can select the entire workbook, press OK. After that, you can publish. So here you can convert your Excel into PDF without using any converter. So here the PDF has been saved. Now PDF will be open up. Our data has been converted from Excel to PDF. Now let's see what are the other options to convert. Now next option is save as. For that, go to file, then after that click on save as. Here browse for the folder where you want to save it. Rename the file as per your requirement. I'm typing as personal budget 2. Then after that you can select the file type as PDF, then here save. Now your file has been saved as PDF instead of Excel file, so you can see the PDF version has been appeared here. This is another easiest method where you can convert your Excel file into PDF. Now we can see the third method. The third method is print. For that, click on file and then after that go to print. Here you'll get options to print the Excel file as PDF. So select print as PDF and you can adjust the format or the size layout from the settings. Okay, you can go to page setups and you can adjust based on your requirement. And after that press OK, then print. Here it will ask you to save the file, so you'll select the folder where you want to save the file, then name, I'm naming it as 3, then save. Now you have saved the Excel file as PDF. So the 3 method which we explained in this video will help you to convert your Excel file into PDF. I explained in the beginning of the video, you can use the PDF version to show in a better presentable way, and you can attach to an email or send it to your colleagues or your manager, and this will help us to have a better view of the Excel format which you have created. The only disadvantages is that if you want to make any changes to the format or the contents of that Excel file, which you cannot do it on the PDF versions. For that, you have to create another PDF from the updated Excel file and you can use it. This tutorial is helpful to you. If yes, please do consider to subscribe my YouTube channel and let me know your thoughts on the comment box. Thank you so much for watching.